Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion API for building a SaaS integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up the Notion API for building a SaaS integration, start by ensuring you have a Notion account. Log in to your Notion dashboard. Navigate to the Notion API documentation page. Read through the prerequisites for using the API. Create an integration by visiting the Integrations section in your Notion settings. Click on the New Integration button. Fill in the required fields, including name and permission settings. Make sure to save the integration once completed. You will receive an integration token. Copy this token for later use. Next, create a new workspace or select an existing workspace in Notion. Share a specific page or database with your newly created integration. Set the permission levels according to your needs. Open your preferred programming environment or code editor. Install the required Notion SDK by running the appropriate package manager command. Import the SDK into your project files. Utilize the integration token you copied earlier in your code. Set up your API client using the SDK documentation as a reference. Begin making API calls to Notion to retrieve or send data. Test your integration with sample queries to ensure everything is set up correctly. Monitor the responses from the API to confirm it's working as expected. Upon successful testing, start implementing your desired features and functionalities. Keep the Notion API rate limits in mind as you develop your integration. Regularly consult the documentation for updates or changes in the API functionality. Once your SaaS integration is fully developed, validate it through extensive testing. Finally, deploy your integration according to your preferred deployment strategy. This comprehensive setup will enable you to build a robust integration with Notion's API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.